Hello everybody. Hello everyone. So I'm coming back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel again. So in the last video I have discussed up to question number 9, 10. Up to 10 I have discussed, I hope. I hope you can remember that. So 11 I have not discussed. It's disconnected, so some technical issues coming. So that's why 11 not disconnected. So I will start from question number 11. I hope I can finish up to question number 14. So I'm starting question number 11. This is the integration part. 11.1. 11.1. So 11.1. Let's see the board. Integral pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, x dx divided by 1 plus sin x. So what I'm doing pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 1 minus sin x multiply numerator and denominator. So it should be x 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin square x dx. So it should be pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, x 6 square x dx minus integral pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, x sec x tan x dx. Okay, so now we will do pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. So first we will first part x tan x pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. This is 1 tan x dx. This is first part, and the second part is x sec x pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. This is x derivative 1. This is sec x dx. Okay, second part. So this is 3 pi by 4 tan 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4 tan pi by 4. This is first part, and this is log mod sec x. This is pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. This is one other part. Then the first part done, and the second part, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, sec 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, sec pi by 4. So minus sec x integration is log mod sec x plus tan x. Sec x integration is log mod sec x plus tan x. So it should be log mod sec x plus tan x 3 pi by 4, pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. Okay, so 3 pi by tan 3 pi by 4. Tan 3 pi by 4 means minus cot pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4, and cot pi by 4 value is 1 tan pi by 4. This is one part, and this is log 3 pi sec 3 pi by 4, sec 3 pi by 4 minus log pi by 4. Okay, so this is another part, minus 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, sec 3 pi by 4. Sec 3 pi by 4 means minus cosec 3 pi by cosec pi by 4 minus pi by 4 sec pi by 4. Sec pi by 4 minus log sec 3 pi by 4 plus tan 3 pi by 4 plus log sec pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4. Okay, so this is one part. Now cot pi by 4 is equals to 1, tan pi by 4 1. So minus 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, it should be minus 4 pi by 4 means minus 5. Okay, and this is cancel 6 3 pi by 4, sec 3 pi by 4 means log root 2 log cosec sec 3 pi by 4. This is sec 3 pi by 4, Log sec 3 pi by 4 means minus log cosec pi by 4. Log cosec is the same value. This is cancelled. And so this is this is minus, and this part is minus 3 pi by 4. Cosec pi by 4 means sin pi by 4 1 by root 2, cosec pi by 4 root 2. So this is minus 3 pi by 4 root 2 minus pi by 4 root 2. Okay, and this part is plus. This is cancelled. This is 0. So answer is minus pi plus pi root 2, pi by 2 root 2. This is minus common, minus 4. So it should be 4 cancelled, pi common. So root 2 minus 1. So this is the right hand side. Right hand side. As proved, left hand side I have started from left hand side, and right hand side I have finished. Okay. So you can take the screenshot, or you can write it, whatever. So we are going to the next question, next integral part. Next integral part is integration x square divided by x minus 1 whole square into x square plus 1 dx. Evaluate integration x square dx divided by x minus 1 whole square into x square plus 1 dx. Okay, then 2. Okay, 11 integration x square. First you will write integration x square dx divided by x minus 1 whole square, x square plus 1. So this is you have to evaluate. So if we are choosing x square divided by x minus 1 whole square into x square plus 1 is equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus cx plus d divided by x square plus 1. So you have to take LCM, then it should be a x minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus b x square plus 1 plus cx plus d x minus 1 whole square. It should be x minus 1 whole square x square plus 1. So it should be x square divided by x minus 1 whole square x square plus 1. So now you have to compare both sides. Then left hand, the denominator will be cancelled. So numerator will be x square is equals to, this is the implication sign, a x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 plus b x square plus 1 plus cx plus d into x square minus 2x plus 1. So the comparing both sides, this should be x cube common. X cube common. It should be a plus c, and x square common, then it should be minus a plus b plus minus 2c, 2c x square plus d. Okay, and x common, x will be a plus b plus c minus 2d. This is done. Plus b minus, and the constant term is minus a plus b plus d. This should be this. So now comparing both sides, see this left hand part x square and the right hand part x cube, x square, x and constant both, all the terms. So only this part will be 0. There will be no left hand part. A equals to minus c, a equals to minus c, and minus a plus b minus 2c plus d is equals to 1. So a equals to minus c means minus c plus b plus d is equals to 1. And this part is 0. Constant a minus a plus b plus d is equals to 0. So d equals to a minus b, and another part will be a plus b plus c minus 2d is equals to 0. So a plus b plus c is equals to 2d. So d is equals to, now a equals to minus c, put then b equals to 2d, b equals to 2d, b equals to 2d. So b equals to 2d, this is 2d, b equals to 2d. So it should be A equals to A minus A plus B minus 2C plus D is equals to 1 and minus A plus B uh, plus B plus D is equals to 0. So B equals to here, B equals to here. This part is wrong. This part is wrong. So B equals to here A and B equals to here. If you put it here, then A equals to half and this part A minus D 2D plus C is equals to 0. So D equals to 0. So D A equals to half, so that means B equals to half and C equals to minus half. Okay, I'm rubbing the upper part, then we can understand clearly. This should be the first part I'm rubbing. You can take a screenshot. Then this would be half divided by x minus 1, x minus 1 plus b is b equals to half, half divided by x minus 1 whole square plus cx plus d minus half x plus d x square plus 1 dx. This is this part, this is half log x minus 1 plus half x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus half. This should be 2x. Answer will be 1 by 4 log v plus c. V means you have to choose x square plus 1 equals to v. So plus c. So it should be half log x minus 1 minus half by x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 log x square plus 1 plus c. So this is the solution of the 11th subpart 2. Okay, done. You can take a screenshot or you can write it, whatever you want. Okay. Going to the next question, question number 12. Solve the differential equation. First question, there are two parts. So x plus 5y square dy dx equals to y when x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So I'm rubbing this part. The whole part I'm rubbing. I'm going through first. Question number 12, 1. X plus 5y square dy dx equals to 1. So it should be x dy plus 5y square dy is equals to y dx. So 5y square dy is equals to y dx minus x dy. So it should be 5 dy is equals to y dx minus x dy divided by y square. So it should be 5 integral, this both side integral 5y is equals to d of x by y integral plus c. So 5y is equals to x by y plus c. Now you have to put the value x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. X equals to 2 and y equals to 1. 5 is equals to 2 by 1 is plus c. So c is equals to 3. So 5y is equals to x by y plus 3. So this is the required solution. Okay. X by y, 5y equals to x by y plus 3. Okay. So you can take the screenshot or you can write it whatever you want. This is the required solution. Now I'm going to the question number 12, subpart 2. Find the particular solution of the differential equation x square minus 2y square dx plus 2xy dy is equals to 0 when x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. I'm rubbing the part again. Subpart 2, x square minus 2y square dy and this is dx equals to plus 2xy dy is equals to 0. So it should be dy by dx equals to x square minus 2y square by minus 2xy. This should be dy dx equals to 2y square minus x square by 2xy. So now you have to divide both sides, numerator and denominator, by x square. So dy dx equals to 2y square by x square minus 1 divided by 2y by x. Let y by x equals to v. So dy dx equals to v plus x dv dx. dv dx, so it should be dy v plus x dv dx equals to 2v minus 1 by 2v square by 2v. Okay, so x dv dx equals to 2v square minus 1 by 2v minus v. So x dv, this is 2v square cancelled, that should be minus 1, minus 1, 2 this should be 2v divided by um, this should be 2v square minus 1, and it should be dx by x. 2v square minus 1 minus 2v square by 2v. This is cancelled. 2v by minus 1. So this is the part. So integral. Now take the integral. Both side log c. So minus 2 v square by 2 is equals to log cx. Okay. Now v equals to y by x. So putting the value minus y square by x square is equals to log cx. Now what's the point given? X equals to 1, y equals to 1. This is 1, 1, 1. So log c equals to minus 1. So the answer is minus y square by x square is equals to log c equals to log x plus log c. Log c is minus 1. Log c equals to minus 1. This is the answer. Minus y square a by x square divided by equals to log x minus 1. This is the solution of question number 12, sub part 2. Okay, you can take the screenshot or you can write it. Then I'm going to question number 13. To observe the two graphs. Two graphs are given, graph 1 and graph 2 given below, and answer the following questions that below. First question, which one of the graph represents y equals to sine inverse x? Second question, write the domain and range of y equals to sine inverse x. Third question, prove that sine inverse 1 by root 5 equals plus sine inverse 2 by root 5 is equal to pi by 2. Fourth question, find the value of tan inverse of 2 sine 2 cos inverse root 3 by 2. So I'm wrapping this solution, going to the question number 13. I hope I can finish today up to question number 14. Question number 13, two graph given. Two graph given, y, x. This is 0, 0. This part 0, 0. Graph 1. This is graph 1. And this graph is x, y. And this part is 0, 0. Okay. The two graphs are given. This is graph 1 and this is graph 2. Okay. The first question is which one of the graph represents y equals to sine inverse x. Which one of the graph represents y equals to sine inverse x. So you have to choose which one the graph represents. So y equals to sine inverse x. So graph 2. So this graph is first question. Graph 2 represents y equals to sine inverse x. And the second question, domain and range of y equals to sine inverse x. Domain of y equals to sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is minus 1 less equals to x less equals to 1. Range of y equals to sine inverse x equals to minus pi by 2 less equals to y less equals to pi by 2. Okay. So this two part. Number 3 prove that you have to prove. Left hand part I am starting. Proof, they have told you proof. So sine inverse 1 by root 5 plus sine inverse 2 by root 5. So sine inverse, this is 1 by root 5 into 1 minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by root 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5.
Okay, so sine inverse, this is 1 by 5 into in 1 by root 5 plus 2 by root 5 into 2 by root 5. So it should be, the value will be sine inverse 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. This is 5 by 5, with the sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 means 5 by 2. So this is right hand side. Okay, done. Sine inverse 1 means 1 5 by 2, right hand side, done. The last question, number 4. Now I'm rubbing the first part, the graph I'm rubbing, because we cannot finish in one board the whole solutions. Number 4, find the value of tan inverse. Tan inverse 2 sine 2 cos inverse root 3 by 2. Okay, so tan inverse 2 sine 2 cos inverse cos pi by 6, cos 30 degree, so tan inverse 2 sine 2 cos 30 degree, 2 into 30 degree, so is equals to tan inverse 2 sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means 2 root 3. Tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 means pi by pi by 3. Pi by 3. So answer is pi by 3. Okay. So the fourth part is answer is pi by 3. Okay. Done. Fourth part. Okay. You can take the screenshot and you can write it whatever. Okay, the last question, question number 40. This is a long question, but the answer is very small. So, question number 14, an international conference takes place in a metropolitan city. International leaders, scientists, and industrialists participate in it. The organizers of the conference appoint 3 agencies, namely X, Y, and Z, for the security of the participants. The track record of the success of X, Y, and Z in providing security services is 99%, 98.5%, and 98%. Respectively, the organizers assign the responsibility of the ensuring the society of 1,000 people to agency X, 2,000 people to agency Y, and 3,000 people to agency Z. At the end of the conference, one participant goes missing from the conference room. What is the probability that the missing participant was placed under the probability of the insecurity agency X? So I'm rubbing this solution. This is answer is very small, but you have to understand the question part first. So what they are speaking, what they are telling about this. So I'm rubbing the question number 13 solution fully. I hope all of you have written, or you can you have taken a screenshot, whatever. So exactly what I'm saying that question number 14, what I'm saying that 99% of 1,000 is X. 99% of 1,000 is X. So that is means 1%, okay? 98.5% of 2,000, that is means Y. So that is 1.5%. 98% of 3,000. 3,000 means Z, that is 2%, okay? So what is the value? So 1 by 100. 1% means 1 by 100 into 1,000 is equals to 10, and 1.5 by 100 into 2,000 is equals to 30, and this is 10, this is 30, and 2%, 2 by 100 into 3,000 is equals to 60. So at the end of the conference, one participant goes missing from the conference room. What is the probability that the missing participant was placed under the probability insecurity agency X? So up to this I have done. So the rest of the things we will do the next day. All of you clear, I hope. If you can't understand any solutions, so you can comment me, or you can tell me the detailed solution, give me the detailed solution. I have a PDF also. So if you want the PDF, you can take from me. I can give you my WhatsApp number. So if you like my channel, share it and subscribe it and like it. And if you like my Facebook page, then like it and follow it. Okay. Thank you, everybody.